Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again and welcome to the Goa vlog. From Bangalore, we started for Goa on 29th October around 11 p.m. in the night. We did a road trip and drove to Goa. This is the next morning around 5 a.m. जहाँ हम लोग थोड़ा टी ब्रेक ले रहे थे. पूरी रात ट्रैवल करने के बाद सबकी हालत फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग बहुत ही खराब थी. सो दिस चाय ब्रेक एक्चुअली हेल्प्ड अ लॉट. बैंगलोर से गोवा जाने का जो रास्ता है ना, दैट इज प्रिटी मच स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल with all the streams, then forests and hills. However, Google Map did its own karma and we ended up taking a shortcut which was pretty adventurous and the road was not so good. So my advice will be, if you are taking the road trip or driving from Bangalore to Goa, just try to stay on the highway. This was a beautiful river turned into a stream on the way. Unfortunately, I could not find the name, but यहाँ का view इतना अच्छा था that we had to stop for some time to enjoy it. Bangalore to Goa by road is roughly 11 to 12 hours drive considering how many breaks you are taking. But before you enter Goa, you need to cross another beach town which is Karwar. And the road here comes with this amazing, beautiful mountain views. बहुत ही प्यारा view था. So I thought of capturing that for you. Okay, so around 11 a.m. we reached our resort, which was Sea Star Resorts in Agonda, South Goa. साउथ गोवा की ना ब्यूटी ही कुछ अलग होती है. The beaches are absolutely stunning and ideal for some aloof time. Our resort was no exception. It had direct access to the sea, which was pretty amazing. तो रिजॉर्ट के बाहर ही डायरेक्टली यू कैन गो टू द बीच एंड प्रैक्टिकली देयर रेस्टोरेंट और लाइक देयर बार इज एक्चुअली ऑन द बीच. तो काफ़ी आसानी से यू कैन access the beach, which was much needed. And जाते ही we straight went to the beach and थोड़ा बहुत explore तो हमने कर ही लिया था. Also, we were very hungry, so we just had our lunch at the same time. We had chicken sandwich, which was amazing. And now let me show you the room. Let me give you the room tour. So this is kind of a beach cottage, wooden beach cottage. It's very cozy and comfortable. So when you come inside, you directly enter the bedroom and you have a double bed, and on the opposite side you have a full view mirror. So ready होने के लिए this corner is ideal. Also there is a corner shelf or rack where you can keep your small knick-knack products. And then at the end of the room you have the washroom, which also comes in pretty good size.
Hey guys, so I am at the beach finally and मुझे देख के डर मत जाना. I am too exhausted. मेरे आँख देख के आपको पता चल रहा होगा. You can guess it by seeing me how I am looking. थोड़ा सा रेस्ट तो कर लिया है, but this is not exactly what I needed. बहुत सारा रेस्ट करना है and then I think I'll come back to my senses. But for now, oh my god, this makes me feel better.
spent rest of the evening in the beach. In the evening the complete view actually changes, बहुत ही प्यारा view होता है. And we had some sumptuous dinner at our resort itself. उनका खाना भी काफ़ी अच्छा था. Everybody was actually very tired and we ended the day with some good food and good music. Good morning guys, it's day 2 here and सुबह उठते ही the first thing I did, I came out to check out the sea. Yes. And yeah, I mean today's agenda was pretty chilled out. ज़्यादा कुछ plan में नहीं था. We just had some tea and breakfast and then we were supposed to head out to Palolem for lunch. तो इस ट्रिप में आके उतना ज़्यादा कुछ साइट सीइंग एक्सेट्रा हमारे एजेंडा में नहीं था. बट द थिंग इज दैट पालोलिम इज रियली नियर बाय एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड शॉपिंग डेस्टिनेशन. सो वी वर थिंकिंग ऑफ गोइंग देयर एंड बीच में हो गई बारिश स्टार्ट. यस, द रेन एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड. सो इट वाज अ वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड वेदर विच वी फाउंड इन गोवा. इट वाज प्रिटी ह्यूमिड एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट वाज ऑल्सो रेनिंग इन बिटवीन.
Good morning. It's not morning anymore. It's around I think 1 o'clock. आज सुबह we went into the sea after so long, so that felt really good. And अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं to have lunch. We are going to Palolem beach. So we are currently in Agonda. Obviously you might be already knowing. I have tagged the location. So this is our resort and Palolem is the very next beach. बहुत पास में ही है. I thought of not vlogging in this trip, but then few of you actually requested in Instagram. Purnima, you messaged, you asked to vlog this trip. So yeah, I think I can still make impromptu vlog. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ informative and बहुत ज़्यादा intense vlogging नहीं होगी. This is going to be little bit of an impromptu vlog. And ये जो resort है ना, this is I'll say it's a pocket friendly resort. You can definitely check in Agonda and beach का भी direct access है, so that is good. And this morning it was raining, so the weather is also now good. But I didn't expect this humid and hot in this time. Like it's end of November, it's end of October. Practically the weather should have been far better, but I mean थोड़ा गर्मी है. तो चलिए अभी चलते हैं Palolem and then we'll have some good food there.
Went to this place called Big Fish which was on Palolem. यहाँ का food काफी अच्छा था. Some of our friends had earlier visited, so we decided to go there. And वहाँ पहुँचते ही start हो गई बारिश. But the good thing was it was right on the beach. It was actually a shack, so it came with a view, beautiful view. And yeah, वहाँ का खाना काफी अच्छा था. Needless to say, if you are a non-vegetarian, then do try the seafood if you are in Goa. So we tried red snapper, kingfish, prawns and squid, which was pretty amazing, and I would say it is also pocket friendly. Also, after lunch, we made these braids. We didn't see this in Agonda, like beach में कहीं भी we didn't see these kind of options, but in Palolem we found this pretty much everywhere. So मैंने total 6 braids बनवाया था, which was not very wise, I would say. अगर आप भी मेरी तरह ही हो, who is not very comfortable tying up the hair for longer period of time, do not go for it. It will be a total waste of your money. शायद अगर मैं 1 या 2 ब्रेड करवाती तो मैं ज़्यादा दिन तक इसको रख पाती, but I got it removed immediately after coming कमिंग बैक टू बैंगलोर, तो मेरा पैसा तो वेस्ट ही हुआ था। एंड या यहाँ मैंने बहुत सारा शॉपिंग भी किया है, तो शॉपिंग का जो वीडियो है दैट विल कम इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। मैं उसका डिटेल वीडियो के एंड में जरूर शेयर करूंगी।
बहुत सारा शॉपिंग हुआ अभी। नाउ शॉपिंग इज कंटिन्यूड। वहाँ जो भी हमने शॉपिंग किया वो थोड़ा बहुत, मतलब नॉट थोड़ा बहुत, मैंने एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा कर लिया है भावना में आके। नाउ हम लोग जा रहे हैं पालोलिम के दूसरे तरफ। ओके, यहाँ भी बहुत सारा शॉप्स है। एंड दिस इज माय डियर हस्बैंड। हाउ आर यू एंजॉयिंग? आर यू एंजॉयिंग?
Very hot. It's very hot.
It's
I'm
very
enjoying,
hot,
but
na?
it's too much hot.
Yes, it's actually
Very
very humid, right? जितना गर्मी है उससे भी ज़्यादा it's very humid, and that's why it's very difficult to roam around like this. जो भी हमारा शॉपिंग है वो ख़त्म करेंगे, then we'll go back to resort and then just relax for some time.
Okay, so this was our last day in Goa. After having a nice breakfast at the resort, we thought of just going around little bit. कुछ हमें सामान भी खरीदना था, so we went for a walk.
Oh God, I got so much tanning, but who cares? This is actually therapeutic, you know.
Everybody was super hungry after the beach time. तो बहुत भूख लगी थी सबको. So we didn't go anywhere far away. Anyhow, this was our last day in Goa. तो हमारे resort के बगल में ही there was this place called Sohodomar Agunda. So this was pretty much kind of a same restaurant or shack than where we were staying. So we got similar kind of food, but everybody was super hungry. So we decided to settle in, and the view was also nice.
Had some good lunch and now actually we are heading towards Kola Beach. Kola Beach बहुत पास में ही है, and I think it will be some 3 to 4 kilometer, and अभी time हो रहा है I think 5 o'clock if I'm not wrong. The plan is to see sunset from Kola Beach. तो मैं भी first time जा रही हूँ. बहुत अच्छा खासा tanning हो चुका है because obviously I went into the sea twice. क्योंकि कोला जाने का जो रास्ता था ना वो बहुत ही छोटा है, नैरो रास्ता है। কি একটা আছে বোধহয়,
আছে ভেতরে হয় না, কাপড় ফাপড় হয় না, বন্ধ বন্ধ করে
খেয়ে নে একটা, খেয়ে রেডি।
And and the sunset was really nice here. So if you want to enjoy sunset, I would say Palolem has such nice options. You have so many different kinds of shacks where you can pretty much settle in and enjoy the sunset, which we actually did. We were looking for some chill out time, so we just got into one of the shacks jahan se bilkul samne hi the sea was there, and then we enjoyed the sunset, considering that was the last sunset in this trip in Goa.
Hey guys, this is the last morning here. I'm all ready now and अभी यहाँ से check out करने वाले हैं हम, and then we are going to go to Palolem and spend some time. सुबह सुबह उठ के मैं ready हो गई and I have not done any makeup at all. This is, you can practically see my bare skin. बहुत ही ज़्यादा tan हो चुकी हूँ. So I think वापस जाके I have to do some kind of skin care. But अभी के लिए सोचते नहीं है इसके बारे में. I'm just going to have some good tea to start my day. बहुत ही बुरा लगता है when it is your last day in the vacation. For the last time in this beach. Okay, yeah, for the last time in this beach. I think it's the best time to come on beach when it's actually early morning. थोड़ा थोड़ा धूप निकलने लगा है, but it's not actually the harsh sun that is out yet. So this is practically a very nice time.
The morning was so bright and sunny. I just loved the clear blue sky. A perfect day for any vacation. So we went to the same cafe जहाँ हम लोग last evening गए थे, because it was a pet friendly cafe and from here the view was also very nice. After having a good breakfast, we went for shopping. Now I did a lot of shopping and explored some really beautiful and interesting stores on the beach of Palolem. तो वो सारे shopping का details मैं next video में share करने वाली हूँ.
Okay, so we are off to Bangalore now. This is end of the vlog and आप बताना how you like this vlog. I didn't have any plan to shoot this vlog, but I had this phone with me, so I thought why not to share few clips here and there, and उसी के चक्कर में पूरा full एक vlog अभी बन चुका है and you can see how much tanned I am now. तो as I was telling, I have to do some real good skincare after I get back to Bangalore, and I think we all are tan, but it makes sense. If you come to Goa, then I think this is what you can expect, but इस बार कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. Also, last but not least, the weather is really hot now. It's like today is 2nd of November, so abhi bhi weather is very hot. So I don't know whether the climate is changing or there is something going on otherwise. But if you are planning to come to Goa, do check the weather before you come. If you like this vlog, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for many such travel videos, home decor videos, lifestyle videos, and yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, you take care and bye bye.